everyone, welcome back to the channel Easy English Classroom, and in today's video we are going to start something that we all encounter but don't always think about, the plural rules. Sounds a bit tricky, but trust me, by the end of this video you'll be a plural pro. So let's get started. A plural noun is a noun that refers to more than one person, place, thing or idea. Most singular nouns are made plural by adding a suffix, usually s or es. For example, the singular noun dog takes the plural form dogs, as in 3 dogs. However, there are irregular plural nouns that takes unique form. Most singular nouns are made plural by simply putting s at the end. There are many different rules regarding pluralization depending on the letter a noun ends in. Irregular nouns do not follow plural noun rules, so they must be memorized or looked up in the link at the description box.
There are many plural noun rules, and because we use nouns so frequently when writing, it's important to know all of them. The correct spelling of plurals usually depends on what letter the singular noun ends in. To make regular noun plural, add s to the end. For example, a cat, cats, a pen, pens. If the singular noun ends in s, double s, sh, ch or x, we usually add es to the end to make it plural. For example, church, churches. Truss, as we can see, it ends with double s, so when we turn it into a plural, it becomes trusses, trusses. Marsh, as we can see, it's ending with sh, it becomes marshes, so it's marshes. Lunch, as we can see, it ends with ch sound, ch, and when it turns into a plural, the spelling becomes lunches, lunches. So as with tax, taxes, bench, benches. In some cases, singular nouns ending in s require that we double s to make it a plural. For example, bus becomes buses. So if we look at the spelling, buses, the s becomes double s and we added es to make it plural. The noun which ending by f or fe change into ves. For example, a wife becomes wives. So the spelling becomes wives. A wolf becomes wolves. So it's wolves. So as with a calf, calves, a knife, knives, a life, lives, a loaf, loaves, and a shelf becomes shelves. If a singular noun ends in y and the letter before the y is a consonant, we usually change the ending to ies to make the noun plural. For example, city becomes cities, so cities, cities. Puppy becomes puppies, pupppies. Lady becomes ladies, ladies. And so as for the story, it becomes stories, so it's stories. If the singular noun ends in y and the letter before the y is a vowel, simply add an s to make it plural. For example, Ray becomes rays, boy, boys. And if the singular noun ends in o, we usually add es to make it plural. For example, potato, potatoes. Hero, heroes. So the spelling is for heroes, heroes. There are some exceptions, for example, photo, photos, piano, pianos, and as we can see, there is no es for these plural nouns. Some nouns don't change at all when they are pluralized. For example, sheep, sheep becomes sheep. So it stays the same. So as for series, it stays series. Species, it stays species. And so as for deer, it stays the same. It is important to see these nouns in context to identify them as singular or plural. Consider the following sentence. Mark caught one fish, but I caught 3 fish. However, when it comes to fish, things can get a little complicated. Irregular nouns follow no specific rules, so it's best to memorize these or look up the proper pluralization in the dictionaries. For example, child becomes children, goose, geese, man becomes men, woman, women, tooth, teeth, foot, feet, mouse, mice, person becomes people. Some nouns have no singular forms. For example, wages, trousers, scales, scissors, oats, cards, contents, compasses, and dominoes. I'm going to share all the free resources in the description box in the link below. Thank you very much.
So there you have it, from simple plural to the irregulars and foreign words. Now you're ready to master any word that comes your way. Next time you're faced with a tricky plural, just remember the rules that we talked about today. And if you ever forget, you can always come back and watch this video. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and if you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon.